Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best hay for chinchillas. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Timothy hay. Timothy hay is the most preferred hay choice for chinchillas. It has the right protein, fiber, and fat ratio. It is also perfect for your chinchilla's dental health because its coarse and crunchy nature will trim down its teeth. Timothy hay has 3 different cuttings that have various importance. The first cutting has fiber with many stems and flowers for more chewing. It has a low protein and fat count and scarce leaves. The second cutting is the most preferred by chinchilla owners since it is well balanced. Its protein and fat count is more than the first cutting. The third cutting is the softest with the least fiber quantity. It is suitable for young and old chinchillas or chinchillas with problems chewing tough hay. Orchard hay. Orchard hay is a good alternative to the second cutting of the Timothy hay since they are the same. It is highly nutritious with fiber, fat, and proteins. It works for chinchillas who cannot keep a healthy weight. Orchard hay also lowers the chinchilla's sugar intake and maintains the digestive system's health. Orchard hay is a good alternative if your little chinchilla cannot take Timothy hay. Alfalfa hay. Alfalfa hay has a sweet taste and is suitable for chinchillas above the age of 1 year. It has vitamins, proteins, essential minerals, and calcium. You should not feed your chinchilla alfalfa hay regularly since the amount of calcium may lead to kidney issues or bladder stones. However, the calcium in alfalfa hay is suitable for pregnant chinchillas who may lose their calcium during pregnancy or when looking after newborns. It is also meant for ill or weak chinchillas since its sweetness will enable them to eat better. Which is the best hay? Timothy hay is best for your chinchilla since it has the right nutrients. It is also the best since its 3 different cuttings cater to various ages of chinchillas. They also take care of your chinchilla's teeth while they feed on them and provide essential nutrients. Thanks for watching.